Hello everyone.
So guys, today there's one restaurant. They claim they have the authentic Peshawari Chapal Kabab. They cook authentic recipe. So we decided to go there and review their claim, how it is close to the real authentic Peshawari Chapal Kabab. So we are going right now there, and the weather is hazy today. It's sprinkling outside right now, and it's probably like 10 degree right now, and it's a little bit cooler breeze here as well. So let's go and dig up in their review of dig up their claim about authenticity of the Chapal Kabab. So let's go guys, see you there.
Let's go, and please keep watching Enjoy Star Food.
See you there. Park, it's called Wind Ferry Park. It's got a bunch of recreation in it, like there's a swimming pool in it. Also, it's a pretty good walking track as well, and you can sit here and they have a barbecue grills as well. Authentic Chapal Kabab recipe. So we just arrived here. This restaurant is in the northeast of Calgary, and let's go inside and crack their claim. We'll see they're gonna meet the Peshawari authentic taste or not. So let's go in and we're gonna crack their claim. Let's go. Set up ourselves inside the restaurant. So they have a pretty good menu actually. They have fries, different type of fries, barbecues, right? Some typical dishes like the butter chicken, dal, like lentils as well. So this is a pretty famous dish in Pakistan cuisine. But today we are here for the authentic Chapal Kabab. So we're gonna order kebab. Actually, I'm gonna order for myself and for Dia as well. So Dia,
I'm really excited about the Chapal Kabab.
Yeah. So we're gonna try today only Chapal Kabab. So we'll share the review with you. So look at that here menu. So once our food is on the table, we'll meet you there, guys. So see you until.
Keep watching Enjoy Star Food.
Okay guys, so we got our food on the table, and look at that. Man, it's really dark brown. fried chapli kebab. Seem like pretty authentic. So basically, the one plate comes with the 2 pieces of chapli kebab, like these 2 pieces, and with some onions and lemon as well. So because we ordered 2 plates, so they brought it in the one dish, 4 pieces. Seem like you see that this is basically they put a hole when they fry it, so they wanted to the oil comes on the top and fried on the top as well, so that's why they have a hole. Every kebab has a hole. Usually if you go in Peshawar in Pakistan, they put one tomato, like kind of they engrave one tomato on it actually. So but it's not looking here. Seems like very fluffy actually. It's very fluffy. It's hot as well, and usually it's deep fried, right? Looking beautiful. We just got our green salad as well. So let's dig in. I'm gonna actually break
Show the
kebab.
size of naan as well.
Oh yeah, so we ordered naan. So this deal not include the naan, so we ordered naan separately. Okay, so not bad. It's $1.50 and maybe $2. And the kebab platter is actually come with the 2 kebabs. It is how much is that?
I think so, 15.
$15, I think so. Yeah, $15. So I'm gonna break the kebab and see how it tastes like that. So look at that. See, it's oily for sure. This kebab meant to be oily. So it's very soft, spongy. So I'm gonna try without anything. I just want to make sure how it is. Its base taste is right. So let me try that. Here you go. You know, I tried these chapli kebab in Calgary on other restaurant. I'll say these kebab are better than the other cuisine, but if you ask me to match it, compare it to the Peshawar authentic chapli kebab, so I can match it, but they are okay. Salty, not spicy. I can't feel the spice. Let me try again. Maybe those kebab got evolution here when they came in Calgary from Peshawar, so there should be a little bit change in it. So actually it's better than all the kebab whatever is available in Calgary cuisine. But I'll say if the Peshawari authenticity is 10, this is I'll say close to 8. I'll say 8 or maybe 7 or 8, but it's good. I'm gonna actually try with the naan. Alright, I'm gonna take a piece of kebab. Then I'm gonna put some lemon on it. Right. So they are pretty small lemon, right? So I put a lemon. Then I'm gonna put one piece of onion. And so let's take this bite. For sure, lemon enhances the taste, guys. You know, I'm gonna take one more bite. I'm gonna make a super bite, guys. So I'm gonna put some lemon on it again. Okay. I'm gonna take seed off. Okay. Then I'm gonna put onion, some green on it, right? And to make a super bite, I'm gonna put this chutney. And now I'm gonna try a super bite. Are you guys ready?
Yep.
Oh, my onion is on. So, okay, man. Here you go. Chutney is not spicy actually. Very mild. So, these kebab are, again I'm saying, these kebab are the better than whatever is available in Calgary. But if you compare to the Peshawari Kabab, it's a big question mark. So thank you very much for watching our channel, Enjoy Star Food. Please keep us watching, share with your family and friends, and we need your comments, guys. Please throw the comments. That will help us to reach other people. So thank you very much again, and yeah,
Thanks for watching.
see you in another flavor vlog, guys. Bye bye. Okay, so one thing I forget about it, I should admire their naan. So their naan is very good. It's fluffy, authentic, like very soft, and it's go with the kebab is very good. So their naan is very good. Okay guys, so we just got a green tea. So this is complimentary actually. So if you're gonna dine in, they will serve you the complimentary green tea. And you know, the other thing is this is culture as well. So green tea in our back home, in our area of Peshawar, if you eat that oily kebab, they always drink the green tea.
It's called Peshawari Kabab.
Yeah, it's called Peshawari Kabab, and it goes very well with the oily kebabs. So let me taste how it is. Cardamom, green tea, and not high sugar, very balanced. So it's very good. And again, thanks for watching our channel. Please subscribe and share it with your family and friends, and throw the comments. See you in another vlog.
Thanks for watching.